Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm back after a short hiatus with curried mutton bones. Shall we check out the ingredients? For this curried mutton bones recipe, I have 2 medium-sized onions that I'm going to chop up. One big potato. I'm cutting the potato into biggish pieces. I have some whole garam masala here, that is whole spices. Firstly, a few cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise, 2 pods of cardamom, and 2 cloves. We'll keep this aside now. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. I have 500 grams of mutton bones here. I'm now going to marinate these mutton bones with the ginger garlic paste, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's now rub the mutton bones with these ingredients. Now that's done, you can leave these aside for about 15 minutes. The curry powder mix that we need comes next. This is made out of 1 heaping tablespoon of chilli powder, 1 heaping tablespoon of meat curry powder, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, half a teaspoon fennel seed powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon cumin seed powder. Let's give them a mix. Heat a pan or wok with 1½ tablespoons of cooking oil on medium heat. You then add the whole spices or whole garam masala and saute for about a minute. Add the onions next and saute the onions until they turn translucent. You then add 3 stalks of curry leaves and saute together with the onions. Turn the flame to low and add the mixed powders. Once that's done, saute the mixed powders for 30 seconds. We then add the mutton bones and mix them well with the sautéed ingredients. "500 ml of water goes in next. We now let the water come to a boil. When the water comes to a boil, we lower the flame to medium, cover and let the mutton bones cook on a medium flame for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes, so now we add the potatoes. I'm adding the potatoes now. We then add salt to taste. Let's give the curry another good stir, then cover the pan and let the potatoes and mutton bones cook for another 20 minutes on a medium flame. It's been 20 minutes. I'm going to taste for salt now. There's enough salt in this curry. Adding 100 ml of hot water because we need to cook this for a little while longer. I have therefore added a total of 600 ml of water to this dish. I'm now going to cover and let this curry cook on a low flame for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes are up and this dish is ready to be served now. Turning the stove off. Delicious and spicy curried mutton bones. Once you've tried this dish, you'll crave for more. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another video, stay safe. Bye.